I wanted to study for a professional marketing qualification because I wanted to understand the work I was doing in greater depth. I knew I'd probably need it for my next step in my career, and I saw it as a long-term investment in myself. Prior to starting the course at Cambridge Marketing College, I did feel slightly apprehensive. Was I ready for this at this point in my career? And everybody's slightly intimidated by the idea of doing work and exams and assignments again. But I was also really excited. I was keen to meet other marketing professionals across different industries. Support from the tutors in the classes were great. Most of them were available on email fairly constantly and were quite quick to come back to you as well. And I liked the teaching style, and it was great to have examples drawn from lots of different industries and different marketing scenarios, some of which we'd have heard of or been familiar with, and some of which were new to us. I think it challenged our thinking a lot more. I've spoken to lots of people around the organisation about marketing qualifications. There's obviously a lot in the market at the moment, and I've always said to them, the CIM qualification is the gold standard. It's what I would expect to see when I'm recruiting. There's lots out there, but do check how well it's understood, how well it's recognised. And if you want to do the CIM, yeah, it's a fair amount of work, but you can't go wrong with it. So looking back now, 10 years on, I think if I hadn't done my CIM professional diploma with Cambridge Marketing College, I don't think I'd have felt my identity as a marketing person, a marketing professional, wouldn't have formed in the same way. And now, with 10 years further experience and a few more senior roles under my belt, I really feel like I can look and help bring other people up through marketing with me, and I've done a lot of work in mentoring and coaching in that time as well to try and help people decide what is it they want to do. Do they want to be a marketing generalist, a specialist, and what steps they need to take to achieve those goals. I don't think I could have done that had I not done the diploma and really got a good sense of what general marketing looks like and how it translates across different industries. The great thing about the CIM Marketing Diploma and doing it with Cambridge Marketing College is you realise just how transferable marketing is as a discipline, and that it really does open up so many doors in your career.